Class. Welcome to week one, module one of your kinesiology 125 A and B cardio kickboxing. Again, I'm your instructor, Joseph Sellis, and I'll be taking you through week one. You can access module one, week one through modules on the left-hand side of your Canvas screen. You can go through course information and scroll down as well, or you can just highlight and click module one here. Whatever resonates with you best, okay? This will take you right to your module one overview. This week one overview video here, this is basically what you're watching right now. What you're going to learn. This week we'll cover what Muay Thai is and how it's different from other martial arts. Basically, Muay Thai is a martial art that came from Thailand, if you're not familiar with that. It's often called or referred to as the art of 8 limbs or the science of 8 limbs. 8 limbs meaning they utilize their fists, 1, 2, their elbows, 3, 4, their knees, 5, 6, and their shins specifically, 7 and 8. So those are the major tools that they use. They also use the head, they also use the shoulder, but majority of the 8 tools that they use would be the ones that I just covered. Okay, it's a very effective martial art that a student can learn relatively quickly and get good at relatively quickly. Okay, it's a very effective martial art as well. What sets it apart from other martial arts is that it's primarily a standing martial art. There is very little groundwork, zero groundwork in competitive Muay Thai or competitive kickboxing, other than throwing your opponent to the ground, which is legal in different kinds of kickboxing / Muay Thai systems. But primarily there are no locks, there are no joint locks, so on and so forth. So take your time, research it a little bit, and then find out what you can find out about Muay Thai on your own. Okay. All right. So this course, week one, module one, you're going to watch week one instructional video here that'll go over your warm-up, footwork, evasion, defense, offensive tactics, so on and so forth. All right. After that, you're going to complete quiz one, which talks about Muay Thai. You can get your answers from this video and or researching it on your own online. We're going to go over 2 discussions. The first one is going to be your class introductions, so you can get to know your classmates and I can get to know you guys a little bit better. Discussion 2, this is the only week that has 2 discussions, by the way. Discussion 2, are you a physically educated person? Okay. And then you're going to complete week 1 of your physical activity guide or log. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Quiz. So clicking next will take you to the next part. So here, you can access your quiz here. Again, your instructions for your quiz. You can refer back to your notes. Okay, you can refer back to the websites, your resources that you've looked at. There is no time limit for this quiz. It can be taken multiple times and your highest score will be kept. So just understand that. Your class introductions discussion has 2 due dates, Wednesday, August 26th and August 28th. Your discussion goals, the purpose of this course introductions is to share about yourself and get to know your classmates. So follow the instructions, okay? You're gonna post 2 times. First one's gonna be before Wednesday, August 26th, and your second post will be before Friday, August 28th, okay? Remember to subscribe to this link so you can get access to your feedback, your posts, so on and so forth, all right? Next, you're gonna go ahead and do discussion number 2. Are you a physically educated person? okay, which is due August 26th and August 28th. Read the directions on this discussion as well, and you'll have 2 postings to do. Okay, your rubric is always available for you by clicking these 3 little dots here on the right side on the top right of your discussion assignment, and it'll tell you how to effectively get the most amount of points for your assignment. Okay, and that's available for every assignment that we do in class. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to your physical activity log. Okay, your physical activity log, you're going to enter your correct information, your name, the class name, whether you're in Kines 125A or B, and you're going to put your section number in it. Your meeting time on that is going to be online. Step 3, you're going to complete the physical activity log with as much detail as you can every day you engage in kickboxing or watch the video. You're going to put the date, the activity that you did, the duration in minutes. You're going to put the video that you used, whether it was week 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Now, sometimes you're in week 3, but you want to go back to week 1 and review. So if you are in week 3 and you watch week 1 video, then just put that on your log. Okay. You're going to keep your physical activity log up to date every week, but you're only going to submit it one time. You're going to submit that video on December 7th, 2020. Okay. Please do not submit it every week, as I am not going to be grading it every week. Okay. So let's take a look at what your physical activity log looks like. It's an Excel sheet. That I am not accessing for some reason. Here we go.